Just a quick video to show you how I modified my spindles for the traditional Charkha. The original one came with just this piece of leather and the disc, and it doesn't stay in place while you're spinning. And I had added little rubber bands or whatever to try to keep it in place. But I decided to try to make a rubber grommet because the newer ones come with a rubber grommet attached to the disc. And so I made my own by using some double-sided tape, and I cut a rubber washer. This one is a thin one, and it doesn't matter what size, I'm just using it for the material. And I put a little piece of double-sided tape, and then I cut my little circles out like this, and all you have to do is remove the double-sided tape covering and center it on the disc as best you can. I tried super glue, but it doesn't stick. You don't really have to put it on both sides, but I decided to go ahead and do that. And you really don't need the leather anymore. I did leave the leather on this one, but you can still slide the disc wherever you need it to be. But usually once you get it where you need it to be on the spindle holder, you're never going to change it. So, and once you get it like that, you take your spindle and then just poke a hole through the middle and slide it about where you need it. You may want to measure it on the spinning wheel or the Charkha, and it's going to leave some residue of that double-sided tape along the spindle, but you can get some alcohol wipes or just baby wipes or something like that, and you can get the glue off of there. So this is working pretty good to have a place for the cotton that you're spinning or whatever you're spinning to rest against, and it also holds the spindle pretty firmly in place, and you can adjust it if you need to.